how to find recommended communities notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click Hub and then click the storylines here and click settings, then notifications, and scroll down until you find recommended communities, and that's it. Now you can manage it here. As you see, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.